Hello, this is the no screwing around, no BS, replace your Toyota key fob in 2 minutes or less. First of all, get a screwdriver, a small one, and I have it from this Husky screwdriver kit. You might be able to use a thin knife or something, but be careful with a knife. Okay, with that said now, you're going to look for a seam or something which is open on this key fob. So we're looking around here for something which is a bit open where we can pry this thing. And so I'm going to go with what I've used in the past, and I can see some damage right here. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to pry this screwdriver in here and just see if I can pop it open. Prying it there. See how it popped open like that? Now screwdriver in a little further and then crack it open just like an egg. Okay, we're cracking this guy open. Take it open carefully. Don't let parts spill. I'm going to tilt it up now. Okay, do you see the battery right there? There it is. That is a what? That's a CR1632. My gosh, look at that. So we got a CR1632 battery ready to go. Okay, so take your battery, take this one out. Notice that the positive is up. The shiny part is up. Okay, so get a screwdriver and note, these little keepers here hold the battery in. So don't pry from this end. Don't pry from that end. Pry from this end because there's no keeper here. There's just a tiny little piece of whatever. So don't pry from there, don't pry from there, pry from here, pry from the end. Okay, the end toward the key ring. Now pry the battery out like this. Oh, put your hand here, hold that, pry the battery out, bam, out. Put the new one in, grab the new battery like this. Put it under these keepers like that, and then push it with your thumb over and hold it with your thumb down until it seats. The battery's in. Now you're about done. So you want to get the top and put it back on. Here's the lid, okay? You won't screw this up. There's a lid. Okay, now you want to get it figured out where it was. I'm thinking like that. And don't screw this up. You know, we got this far, and here I'm having a tough time. Okay, goes like that. Squeeze it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. We got this far. It's fast and easy. This has to be done in 2 minutes. There, bam, done. Look at that. You did it in 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Take care. Have a nice day.